Bribery is the most common method of corruption. Hi, what's up friends, today we will discuss about different methods of corruption, but before we move on, make sure to subscribe this channel and share this video with your loved ones. So let's start our journey. Bribery involves the improper use of favors and gifts in exchange for personal gain. Furthermore, the types of favors are diverse. Above all, the favors include money, gifts, company shares, sexual favors, employment, entertainment, and political benefits. Also, personal gain can be giving preferential treatment and overlooking crime. Embezzlement refers to the act of withholding assets for the purpose of theft. Furthermore, it takes place by one or more individuals who were entrusted with these assets. Above all, embezzlement is a type of financial fraud. The graft is a global form of corruption. Most noteworthy, it refers to the illegal use of a politician's authority for personal gain. Furthermore, a popular way for the graft is misdirecting public funds for the benefit of politicians. Extortion is another major method of corruption. It means to obtain property, money, or services illegally. Above all, this obtainment takes place by coercing individuals or organizations. Hence, extortion is quite similar to blackmail. Favoritism and nepotism is quite an old form of corruption still in usage. This refers to a person favoring one's own relatives and friends to jobs. This is certainly a very unfair practice. This is because many deserving candidates fail to get jobs. Abuse of discretion is another method of corruption. Here, a person misuses one's power and authority. An example can be a judge unjustly dismissing a criminal's case. Finally, influence peddling is the last method here. This refers to illegally using one's influence with the government or other authorized individuals. Furthermore, it takes place in order to obtain preferential treatment or favor. That's all friends, hope you liked the video. Give this video a big thumbs up, share this video with your loved ones. Follow us on social media, link is given in about section of channel, so go and follow us. See you next time, till then bye bye.